everyone, welcome to a wonderful rainy and foggy day here in southern Germany. My name is Chris and I know what you're thinking. Why is he not playing guitar? Well, lately I'm very interested in electric cars. They just fascinate me. It's the technology behind them, the charging, the instant torque, the quiet drive, the comfortable drive, no gear change, just everything is so amazing to me. So I thought, why not get a few electric cars from dealerships, drive them around, make a few videos and show you how they are. Let's start! I'm sitting here in the Volkswagen eGolf 2017, the latest model. It has a motor with 100 kilowatt, that's 136 horsepower. It has a battery with 35.8 kilowatt hours. And they say you can get a range NFC with 300 kilometers, which of course is crap, as we all know. So in the real life you're gonna get 200 kilometers, in the winter 150. If you take the heat a lot, if it's raining, it's gonna be even less, I would say 110. The acceleration in this car is really good. The 136 horsepower motor here, you get instant torque because it's an electric motor. It just presses you in your seat. It's really fun. You enjoy it a lot. The top speed is 155 kilometers per hour. The efficiency in here, which Volkswagen says is 12.7 kilowatt per 100 kilometers, but I drove it a bit and I never get anywhere near that number. I know it's November, it's raining, it's cold, I have the heat on, but this is real life, and so the 12.7, it's just not a number you really get. You have three modes in this car. The normal mode, we have full power. You have an eco mode where the motor only gives you 70 kilowatt instead of the 100, and your top speed is at 115 kilometers per hour. You also have the eco plus mode, which nobody uses, but you have only 55 kilowatt on your motor and your top speed is 90 kilometers per hour, which in Germany is nothing. The infotainment system is up to date. You have great navigation, you have Bluetooth, you have all the stuff that you need. If you know how spacious the normal Golf is, this is the same thing. It's the exact same car, just with a battery underneath and an electric motor in the front. The eGolf costs 35,900 euros, which is a lot, and every little option costs even more. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful day and take care.